Have you ever travelled somewhere, gone around a corner and then gone, holy f***? I mean, this place is just next level. Hang on, I gotta turn this camera around. You gotta see this shit. Holy f***. Hey there, my name's Ash. Today this video is gonna be about driving from Pai, which is in the northern part of Thailand, up to the Myanmar border. It's about 1.5 hour drive. I'm on a scooter, but I'm not gonna go as fast. So it's probably gonna take me a couple of hours, but I thought it'd be kind of fun to vlog the experience and just show others what it's like if they wanna do it too. So I think the spot I'm going to is called Ban Jabo. I'm going by myself. I've done a lot of like scooter trips in the past and yeah, I've done a lot of exploring by myself. So I feel pretty comfortable going solo. I've heard that there are a lot of like really steep roads and sharp corners, which is fine as long as it doesn't rain. I've heard the roads are all sealed too, which is good because muddy roads are just the biggest nightmare to drive on. Like I refuse these days. It's just shit. It's just not fun to drive on. So yeah, let's get on the road and get the journey going. I've just packed a whole bunch of stuff now as well, especially like a phone charger because I'm gonna be listening to music like the whole way. So a way to charge your phone when you're doing a road trip like this, especially solo, it's really important to have a charge phone. And I've also downloaded offline maps because I'd say that the service will be okay, but I'm not willing to risk not having service and being lost somewhere because that would just be shit. I'm sure I can ask someone where to go and I'll figure it out, but it's better to be safe than sorry and just being a little bit more organized. Alrighty, let's go ahead and jump on the road.
Hiding in my far off distant plans, I see a house with people I don't love that I call them.
So pretty here. I love looking off into the mountains outside.
That it won't be an accident. Spare me from a closed eyes existence. Is it doomed to fall into the dark? Hunker down and
Okay, got my Q helmet on and I've been in to get some gum, petrol and mints because necessary road trip goodies, you know. I'm back on the bike and now we're gonna start the drive. So I'm gonna stick some music in and get moving. So I've been riding for a little while now, maybe about like 30 or 40 minutes. I just had to pull over to get this little raincoat on because it's pretty cold, but oh my god. It's so nice up here. So quiet apart from all the cars and stuff going around, but yeah, really beautiful. So far it's been pretty easy. It's just a lot of like sort of steep hills and sharp sort of corners, but that's not really, I don't know, I don't mind that. That's fine for me. But yeah, let's keep going. A little bit of rain has decided to sweep through, which I could sort of see building up in the clouds off in the distance, but it is what it is. I'm a bit wet, but I found a shelter, which is good. My bike's just chilling over there for the minute. Have you ever travelled somewhere, gone around a corner and then gone, holy fuck? I mean, this place is just next level. Hang on, I gotta turn this camera around. You gotta see this shit. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Look at that. What? I think I have to get the drone out. Okay, I'm gonna insert some drone shots. It's also a really cool little town up that way as well, so get ready, you're about to see some absolutely insane views.
the steps I do not want, but yet I still will take them. I remember.
I've got to say, this drive is so much better than I even expected. Like, I can't get over these views. The mountains and stuff in the background, I'll have to turn around the camera again, but they are just so incredibly beautiful. There's so many like steep limestone formations and it just looks insane. Like, and then there's like farms and stuff surrounding the actual like limestone like thingos, and it just is incredible. And some of the towns are so beautiful. I've been to a couple of like the little villages and they are gorgeous. So let me show you this view because this is like insane. Like how incredible. There's also a big limestone mountain there as well, and then to this way around the corner here, which I'm about to head, there is another village. So yeah, I'm gonna check that out. Pretty excited. So to the left right now I've got Thailand over this side, and over here is Myanmar. I'm just going up a hill, so what's up, dude? Just minding his own business. Wow. So yeah, this side is Thailand. Thailand's pretty bloody stunning, hey? There's that little village I drove past earlier. So stinking pretty. So here we have it. This is Myanmar right behind me. You can probably hear all those cows over there. They're having a good time, just grazing in the grass. This is quite a pretty little spot too. There's a temple up there, but I'm not going to go because I'm just in a skirt, so I can't go into the temple. But the views over this side are absolutely incredible as well, so I want to get my drone up again. So let's come over. Oh, and you can see there's actual border crossing. So yeah, this is Myanmar. It's quite pretty. I'm enjoying it with this guy. Very pretty. Sucks I can't see more because the visibility is a bit off, but yeah, I mean, let's be real, it just kind of looks similar to Thailand because it's very similar landscapes and right next to each other. I think I'm officially at the greatest cafe I've ever seen. Check out that view, that is insane. And there's some like chairs here you can lounge on, and it's quite a cute and sort of quirky little place. So I'm gonna park myself up here for a bit and just enjoy this. Just having this peach iced tea from, I think it's pronounced Saulahu Cafe. It's really, really good. If you are coming up this way, definitely stop in because like you can enjoy this stunning view and a drink. This was 60 baht. I definitely think it's worthy to pull over here. It's probably about 20 minutes drive off the border of Myanmar, so it's pretty high up, but it's so stunning, and it's, yeah, I'm just enjoying this. I can't believe this view. Incredible. Cheers. I began making my way home after the pit stop and was in a bit of a rush as the sun was due to set in a couple of hours. It took me around 3 hours to reach the border, but I did make plenty of stops. If you're considering completing this ride, I'd recommend beginning it early and making a day trip out of it. It's a lot of fun and the ride is incredibly beautiful. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and subscribe to see my future videos. Bye for now.